Hello, you beautiful people out there. My name is Majestic Muffin, and welcome back to Special Effects Saturday. Today is another cosplay video, and I am doing Ellie from The Last of Us 2 because The Last of Us 2 came out already as of this video posting. So yeah, I'm not gonna talk about it or do any spoilers or anything. I'm just gonna do like my usual special effects stuff and show the process and everything. It's not anything crazy. I have so many pimples I need to cover up because I've been working like crazy lately. So yeah, let's just get started. Alright, and that's pretty much it. And now I'm gonna go outside and spray my dirt spray and my blood spray. And then put on the wig, and yeah, that's literally it. I took some, well, I didn't take them. My friend Kaisa took some amazing photos of me, which will be at the end of this video. And if you watched Last of Us, enjoy. Oh, I also have the bracelet, and this is a temporary tattoo as well. It's on my arm. I just realized I wasn't recording that whole time, but
Cheers.